So guys, Eric Omondi is in court.
I'm always also become a comedian. I don't know what he has eaten. I'm a menu to you. We know. Stop acting here. Churchill.
Eric, you are being charged with creating a disturbance contrary to Section 95(1)(b) of the Penal Code at 23 at around 11:30 hours along Kenyatta Avenue in Nairobi, within Nairobi County, created disturbance in a manner likely to cause breach of the peace by erecting a barrier in the middle of the said road, and while standing on the said barrier, shouted, hence causing disturbance and inconvenience to road users. True or not true?
With my good friend Brian Mabea for the accused person. We'll be seeking that the accused person be entered on a reasonable cash bail. The offense he's charged of creating disturbance. And the particulars issued that he shouted. And at the trial, we'll be seeking to understand how many decibels of the voice, because that is a technical question under the NEMA Act, whether the voice was disturbing to anybody. Actually, the accused is only but a national hero fighting for the rights of those who do not have food or who can't afford. Criminalizing such an issue, the courts are being used to stop the rights of Article 37. The right to picket, the right to make noise, the right to associate. And if indeed it is a question of blocking a road, that's obstruction of a road, that could be a traffic offense. Your Honor, the suspect is an international brand for this country. Millions are getting income by virtue of his comedy. We are getting it wrong. We are losing as a country to criminalize comedy. Probably the police didn't understand that that is part of comedy. He was either shooting a show. And nowadays there's no licenses. The governor removed the licenses for shooting TikTok shows in town. We urge the comedian to be released on a personal bond. So that he can go back to create more jobs. For these young people here, to see a comedian being charged is a serious transgression to this country. You can release him on a personal bond or a cash bail of 1,000 shillings so that he goes to do his job. The state has not objected to bail. And Your Honor, in light of what happened the other day, the antagonists, both from government and opposition, have gone for truce.
Let us not go to those issues.
I've only said, Your Honor, that
No,
for the
no.
sake of, no, I'm not going to politics. For the sake of national healing, for the sake of national healing, and bringing dialogue to every citizen, the face of the Republic is in this court, happily. Your Honor, kindly use your discretion and release the comedian on his personal. He will not escape. He's not a flight risk. That's all.
Is bond objected?
Your Honor, we do not oppose bond cash bail.
Thank you, the state. The state is not very reasonable.
That the state does not object to the release of the accused person on bond of cash bail. Therefore, I set the cash bail at 5,000 shillings, matter to be mentioned for pre-trial before this court on the 13th of April.
Most of them.
Off the cuff, connected me to my former job. The students who are here, we have offered to buy them 10,000 shillings. So that, thank you very much.